Folks, today we are going to be reviewing the jacket. Now, I've actually used it for a while now, and so I want to talk you through all the key features, show you some awesome pockets, talk about the durability, etc. And the jacket comes with a nice box, wrapped up in a nice bag, a thank you for your order slip, and the direction slip which states all of the fun factors of the jacket, conditions, washing, etc. We'll go into that. Now, I'll state it later in the video as well, but for the heating capability, you will need a power bank. These are not very expensive. I'll try to link a couple options that are really good in the description box below as well with this jacket, but I do want to state that for the heating coils, you will need a power bank, which is not included with the jacket. This jacket is 100% waterproof. It is thermoregulating, damage-resistant, antibacterial, UV light-proof, gas and wind-proof, and it is a pretty sweet jacket. I'm going to show you the size that I chose here in just a little bit. I'll talk about my height and how it fits. You'll see that. I'll talk through some of the features and then show you some more here in just a second. We have a zippered pocket right here in the right arm sleeve here, and that's going to be large enough to fit Kleenex, maybe some goggle wipes, maybe even a smaller cell phone. My cell phone is the folding Samsung one, which actually fits up in this pocket, and I believe this pocket is the same size as this one. So you have one right here. I'll talk more about this area up here later in the video, but I do want to show you a couple other features as we open up the jacket here. Now, this is where your power bank goes, and we'll talk more about that in a little bit as well. But coming down here is a feature I just noticed. This is a zip-up flap where you can have it like this, like a normal jacket, or if you needed to flap over your rear section just a little bit more, that unzips for that feature. They are 100% machine washable, but once again, they want you to unplug your power source, power bank from the jacket. Just follow these directions that you receive when you get the jacket. They want you to wash it on cold, gentle cycle and then hang dry, and do not use the heater until after 72 hours of washing. So if you wash this, you can wear the jacket, just don't use the heaters after you wash it for 72 hours to make sure it is fully dried. So on the left arm, you have a very subtle logo right here. That's the only markings on the jacket. And then this is the back of the jacket. Let me feather it a little bit and back it up. Sorry, it's a little bit not placed straight, but you guys can kind of get the idea. Now let's go ahead and take a look how it looks on me and my size, etc. All right, folks, we're in my bedroom right now, but we're going to be going outside. And sorry, I'm talking too loud because the camera is right over here. Don't have my microphone on right now. I got the jacket on right now. I got my power bank right here. I'm going to briefly show you that here. I'm going to unzip it, and inside right here, we see a red light on. That means high heat. I toggle it one more time, blue, that's medium heat, and one more time, green. Of course, that is an LED light right there as well. So now I'm on low heat, and let's toggle it back to high. And I'll show you why I'm toggling it back to high, even though it's springtime, still cold out here in Colorado. Crazy wind right now as well, as I'm walking over to the ranch next door. Now, I am almost 5'9", on a good day, and the jacket fits me just nicely. I'm about 155 pounds soaking wet, as you can see here, but I am a fit guy as well. So if you are an athletic build like myself, medium will fit you just splendidly. Zipping that up right there. I got my puppy down below, if you saw her. And it's cutting off right here at the waistline. It's a really good fit. I wouldn't want a large. I wouldn't want a small either. This is a great fit in my opinion. It of course does have your hood right up here with a little bit of a brim to it right here. Again, 100% waterproof. Pulling this down right here, I have my power bank now. Let me state real quickly here, this is a little bit larger of a power bank because of the handle up here and because it's solar. Fits in the pocket just fine. The USB cable is actually pretty long. I'd say that's about a foot or so from the pocket insertion to the power bank right here. Now, they are recommending for full power and heat capability a 5 volt 3 amp. This actually is a 2 amp, 5 volt 2 amp. I'm going to switch over to my other power bank when I charge it up. But right now, it is on high heat. And so the heat is right here in my back, which actually feels very nice. It's not over the top crazy hot, but it's definitely nice. And down below right here are the coils, and right here as well. Perfect for wintertime activities, springtime activities, fall activities. Cold summer nights, I'll leave that up to you. I've been chilly in California before, so as you saw there, the power bank slips right in. Even with that large power bank, that slips up. You got your pockets here, you got your pockets right here, and here, look at my full hand. I got big hands too. Full hand slips in here and here. Your pockets down here have zippers as well for right here. And you do have a zipper right here if you want to put your chapstick, maybe a small cell phone. You know what? Let me just try that real briefly. I got the foldable one here, the Z3. That's awesome. That zips up just beautifully there. I'll double check with you to see if that's ventilation up there as well for the jacket, but I don't think so. I think that's just for pocket purposes. Yep, that's what it looks like to me. Yep, that's just a nice little insert that goes over the top right there. Now also a really cool feature is you got your pull cords right here for your hood, but then you got this right here, which is really cool too. And so you could drop that off like that if you want, or go ahead and get your thumbs like this here, if you want to keep the tops of your hands protected from the elements, and not to mention the Velcro here, if you want to tighten that down on your wrists, etc. Very, very well made. It looks really great as well. And we'll get some better shots here, but you do have a pull cord down below as well to go ahead and tighten that up around your waist area here, as with a pocket right here inside. There's your pull cord there, so you have your pocket right here with a button right there to seal that up. And then again, this side does not have one down below, but your pull cord here, your power bank, of course. This jacket does not come with a power bank, but it comes with that cord. So you will need to buy a power bank. Most of us do have one. I have, I think, like 3 of them, and I just found 2 more in my storage the other night. So again, I got right now my cell phone up here, my power bank right here, and I could fit a lot more goodies, tissues, pair of sunglasses in one of these pockets. You could probably even fit your ski goggles, maybe vertical, right inside if you were going in for burgers or lunch. Okay, I'm cranking out some nice heat. Of course, it would be even warmer with the 5-volt 3-amp power bank. So the camera's not capturing the wind on camera, but it's a little dreary outside, a little windy, so this jacket's gonna come in real handy. There we go. We can see these trees swaying back a little bit more. So I gotta walk to the ranch next door for dinner. Looking forward to it with this jacket. So what's nice about the drawstrings is that if you don't want your hood flapping over, go ahead and tighten those down. That's a great feature to keep that nice and over your head. Let me go ahead and show you the wind here, whipping around in the good old Colorado. I almost said California. Colorado spring, but it's still windy. So the jacket is nice, keeping me nice and toasty down here, and of course on my back as well. Sorry for the wind, but I like the jacket. And I was actually going to mention this before I reread the manual. Now, in weather like this, it's a little bit rainy right now, which I'm so glad because I have a lot of trees that need rain. So in conditions like this jacket is awesome. But when it is super cold and there's a wind chill, or if it's like really cold outside and snowing, then this jacket won't do what it's supposed to do in those kind of conditions. So this is not to replace your super heavy, thick down jacket for wind chill or super cold temperatures. So it says it right here, when not to use your jacket. I'll let you guys go ahead and pause that, read that. Now, something the directions do state, if you do want to use it in colder weather, is you want to wear an insulating layer beneath the jacket, and it traps the warmth in there, kind of like a cocoon effect. Very cool nonetheless. Now, as recording of this video, we're going into the beginning, the first several weeks of spring. So this jacket is absolutely fantastic for Colorado right now. I play disc golf. It's lightweight. I can move in it. This is the power bank once again that I was using. For the solar panel, definitely dig it. If you guys want to go more of a thicker square, That would probably take up less room than a larger one fitting in the interior pocket, but this one fit just fine. As you can see, it's pretty big, and I have pretty big hands. Overall, my opinion on the jacket, and Bria likes it as well. This is my puppy, if I have not introduced her quite yet. Overall, I think the jacket is a very nice jacket. It has a lot of awesome features, a lot of cool pockets, drawstring, hood. For Pacific Northwest, Colorado, jogging in the morning on a chilly, brisk morning, you guys get the idea. In the description box right below the video is going to be the link for this exact same jacket. You guys can pick one up yourself, but just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, Bria really appreciates that. It helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. And the more the channel is blessed, Bria likes organic food, and organic food is expensive. Huh, Bria? Also, subscribe on your way out, and we will see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.